Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to add bank account to Doordash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, you need to simply open your Doordash app. So once you open it in your app or in your website, you need to first navigate to the earnings tab once you are logged in into your Doordash account. So once you're there, you need to simply tap on View Payment Details and select Change Payout Method. After doing this, simply choose Add Bank Account and enter the required information including your name, SSN, routing number, and account number. You will also need to take a photo of your ID and may receive a verification code via text or email. So by this way, you can simply add bank account to your Doordash. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.